In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do the Smith machine bench press with a close grip. So firstly, I've got the bench here in the middle of the Smith machine, completely flat. And with regards to the position of the bar, what I want you to do is think of if you're laying down on the bench and your arms are completely straight, we don't want the bar too far away where we're reaching for the bar, bringing the shoulders forwards. So think the bar should be in a position where when you first start, you've got a slight bend in your elbow, and that way you won't be reaching for the bar when you do your first repetition. Now, in terms of the close grip style, we're going to be working more off the tricep muscle than the chest. If you do the medium variation, where you've got your hands just outside the position of your shoulders, then that means you're going to be working more of the chest than the triceps. So what we're going to do is we're going to come all the way back. Make sure you don't hit your head on the barbell. Once you've got the bench in the middle of the Smith machine, the whole of your back is in contact with the bench. Bring your elbows in, and from this position, you're then going to unhook the bar by bringing your wrists forwards. I can come directly down, and for example, in this position, the bar will be slightly too high for me. And how I know that is the bar is not in line with my nipples, so I can bring myself slightly back, do the repetition again, and now I've got that bar resting just above nipple line. When I come up and back down, I want to bring those elbows in, keeping them nice and tight to my rib cage. When I'm coming down, I'm breathing in, and when I'm coming up, I'm breathing out. Once I'm done, wrists back, that's going to lock the Smith machine barbell into position. And one of the things you'll notice is that I've got these yellow safety stops on. And you'll notice if I just bring the barbell down, the barbell stops before my chest. So let's say I get into trouble, I can't execute the next repetition, I've overloaded the weight, I'm doing a personal best, for example. If I can't bring the bar up, now I can get safely out of this position by bringing the bench back, as opposed to having this bar pinned on my chest. Of course, setting these up is really important when you're doing a personal best with maybe an empty gym or no spotter. You might be going for a new weight, and if you can't get it up, it's always better to be using these safety stops, positioning them just above the chest, so when you come down, you've got enough space to get out of the exercise should you need to, and you're not pinned by the bar. So that's nice narrow position with the hands, bringing the bar down in line with nipple line, keeping the elbows in and pushing from the elbows, straightening those elbows whilst keeping your wrists straight. That's how to do the Smith machine close grip barbell bench press.